In all PriMus editors, you have the search toolbar. Activate the toolbar by clicking on the magnifying glass or by pressing the F3 key on the keyboard. Type the search text that is dynamically highlighted in the first item that contains it. Search for other occurrences of the typed text. Activate the advanced search that allows you to set specific search conditions. Search for and replace a word or an entire sentence with another. Activate the search toolbox for advanced use of super search.